demander,
means to ask. In this video, we will learn the verb to ask in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. This is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I ask.
je demandais,
You ask in formal way.
tu demandes,
He asks.
il demande,
She asks.
elle demande,
We ask, or one asks, in formal way.
on demande,
We ask, formal way.
nous demandons,
You ask, formal way.
vous demandez,
They ask, group of males or mixed people.
il demande,
They ask, group of only females.
elle demande.
This French verb is a fundamental word in the French language, encompassing the act of asking, requesting, or inquiring. It is a versatile verb that plays a pivotal role in communication, expression, and interpersonal interactions. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. Don't worry about the complex sentences, just concentrate on the conjugation right now. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I ask for a coffee.
Je demande un café. Je demande un café.
You ask for information.
Tu demandes un renseignement. Tu demandes un renseignement.
He asked for help.
Il demande de l'aide. Il demande de l'aide.
She asks for a pen.
Elle demande un stylo. Elle demande un stylo.
We ask for advice from experts.
On demande des conseils aux experts. On demande des conseils aux experts.
We ask for an appointment.
Nous demandons un rendez-vous. Nous demandons un rendez-vous.
You ask for a favor.
Vous demandez une faveur. Vous demandez une faveur.
They ask for explanations.
Ils demandent des explications. Ils demandent des explications.
They ask for advice.
Elle demande des conseils. Elle demande des conseils.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I ask.
Je demande.
You ask.
Tu demandes.
He asks.
Il demande.
She asks.
Elle demande.
We ask, or one asks,
On demande.
We ask.
Nous demandons.
You ask.
Vous demandez.
They ask.
Il demande.
They ask.
Elle demande.
In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.